Next, let's talk about WIIFM, W-I-I-F-M. WIIFM is what's in it for me. That is what your audience is asking. We answer it with an equation. It or this will make or give you, and then some sort of passion or a why or a result or an impact. Some examples are, it will make you happy, or this will make you successful, or it will give you chills, or this will give you love. Some common mistakes when trying to use this formula is the following. Some people will add a word before the first will. It or this blank will make or give you an impact or emotion. For example, this book will make you blah, blah, blah. Or another mistake is you're not using the word you, or you have a long run-in sentence. Another thing is you may not use the make or give. You might use the word might, M-I-G-H-T. You need to use the word make or give. That's a definitive. You need to use the word you. You're talking to your audience. And you need to use the word will. That's an affirmation. So here's the purpose of the formula. When you're talking to your audience, who will ask the question, what's in it for me? You'll answer it in the form of either the two words it or this, will, make or give, you, and then some sort of impact or an emotion. The word will is an affirmation of a positive action. The choice of the two words make or give, that's a definitive. The word you is direct contact with your audience. The resulting impact or emotion that's stated at the very end, that's 1 to 3 words. That's you talking directly to your audience. You're talking to their heart, not their head. Let's have an example. Again, what's in it for me is WIIFM, W-I-I-F-M. That's the question your audience is asking. Let's talk about a scary book from Stephen King. This will make you scream. It will give you chills. This will give you nightmares. It will make you shiver. Do you notice that the sentence is direct and to the point? It has an affirmation, it has a definitive, it talks directly to the audience, and it has an emotion. WIIFM, W-I-I-F-M. What's in it for me? Again, that's what your audience is asking. The word will, that's an affirmation of a positive action. Make or give, that's a definitive. The word you is your direct contact with your audience. And then the final word, or 1 to 3 words, is you talking directly to your audience's heart, not to the head. You're speaking to the emotion. Some people make mistakes. They add words, or they're not using the word will, or they're not using the word you, or they'll have a lengthy sentence. It is necessary to answer your audience question when they ask, what's in it for me, with a simple, straightforward answer.